Hello, this is Philip O'Ryan. I'm here to talk to you about two new features which we've implemented in ezAutoquote. Those two new features are found on the inventory screen, and they appear here: priorities and touch requests. The easiest one to explain is touch requests. That's when you're having a conversation with the customer and you want to, you have a question that you can't answer, or you have some other concern and you want somebody to come and assist you. All you need to do is click touch, and a text message will be sent to your team lead and or the dealer management. The second feature is a priorities feature. The way the priorities work is you click on priorities, and as you're having a discussion with the client to establish rapport and credibility, you ask them to point out what's important to them. And so you can take any of these particular items and you can move them up and down. Now, the key here is pay attention to the payment and financing option, because if they signify that this particular option is important to them, that is 1, 2, or 3, you know you've got a prime candidate for ezAutoquote. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy using these two new features.